Did you know that you can create stunning mathematical art using just a few equations in Desmos? In this video, I'll show you how to create masterpieces in your grade 11 math class. And make sure you stay till the end because I'm going to show you a trick to how to actually color them in. Alright, so the first thing you want to do after you've chosen a nice picture is to actually add that image and then change the opacity, lower it so that it is see-through, just like Stitch over here. Now the first equation we're going to start with is our linear equation y equals mx plus b. So let's add some of these equations here to start drawing our Stitch. Now the next equation I have is our quadratic equation in vertex form. So let's start adding those. Now if you've never used Desmos before and you want a tutorial completely for beginners, just to be able to perform basic functions, you can check out the link on the screen now or in the description. Our next two equations are going to be for circles and ellipses. Now if you want a tutorial that goes over exactly how to choose each equation and then how to choose your domain and range properly so that they perfectly fit your picture, you can check out the video here, all the equations you need to be able to draw your pictures. What I recommend is you use all of those slide bars that you see me have here to figure out each equation and to transform it and translate it to exactly where you want it. And finally, if you need them, you can use exponential functions. And although this isn't a function, sometimes I just want that relation of a sideways parabola. So I'm going to have a couple of those to finish it off. And then remove the image, and there's our Stitch. Alright, thanks for watching this far, and I promised you I would show you how to color in your graphs. And how you're going to do that is instead of using an equation with an equal signs, you're going to use inequalities. And inequalities will help you place color within the values that are true. So you can see all of these inequalities give us a nice drawing of Snoopy. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my other high school math and science tutorials and leave a comment sharing your favorite Desmos creations.